Yeah, so hi, I'm Marcel. I work in Munich at the Technical University with the group of Professor Laura Fabietti. We work for the ALICE experiment at the LHC, which is a very cool heavy ion experiment at the LHC, but we do much more than just heavy ions, also proton-proton collisions. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. And I'm currently doing my PhD, but I already did my bachelor's and master's in ALICE. So I usually get to the office around 8:30. I usually start talking with colleagues, like, do you have any news or what happened yesterday evening, just to socialize a little bit. And then I just start with my day. Currently I'm writing on my PhD thesis, but else in the past it was always continuing with my analysis, picking up the problems from the previous day, preparing presentations, because also within the group and in ALICE general we have a lot of communication and presentations for colleagues to have good physics discussions. So this is like, the daily business in that sense. I think for nuclear physics, it was just like really, because it's like one of the fundamental things ever. It sounds kind of cool, like to do nuclear physics. And this was just like the real fascination from it, like to really start like from the core things, what holds matter together. This was like the pure fascination for it. I think it's solving puzzles and having challenges. This is like, I think, integral part of science, that like you have always something new that was never seen before, and you're the one who tries to propose something. And of course the solutions that we propose, maybe in 5 years there will be a better solution, but it's always like this step forward that we are taking. And this is something I like, to come up with new solutions. Also the discussions with colleagues, having think tanks, and just like, like solving problems. This is what I really love. Oh, solving problems. This can be also very frustrating, because if you have a problem that you sit on for weeks and you don't find a solution, this can be something that is extremely frustrating, but at the end it's also rewarding. It's really like a dual thing almost. It's a love-hate relation. I think there are a lot of things. Of course, dark matter, I think, is one of the highlights. There's a lot of discussions about the X17 phenomenon, which is like exactly a phenomenon that people first in Hungary saw in nuclear physics, which is highly debated if it's a new effect or if it's some issue in the experiment. It's very fascinating. And for example, this is a topic that I really like, to just see in which direction this goes. So I already made the decision to stop academia after my PhD. I, in the past years, also had a big fascination for cybersecurity, so I want to pursue this direction. And I want to do the first steps, essentially, to work as a hacker, if you want to commonly say that. Yeah, exactly.